Welcome to Kitchen Guy. Today I'll show you there's more to Japanese food than sushi. We're going to make Japanese steak and noodles, and it starts by cooking egg noodles according to package direction. Now once you've drained them, add some olive oil and some minced garlic and ginger, and then a little bit of rice wine vinegar, and then toss to coat. Now while my stovetop grill pan is heating, I will season pieces of strip steak with salt, pepper, garlic, and ginger. Remember to season both sides. Then into the grill pan they go, and cook them about 4 to 5 minutes on each side for medium rare. Then remove them to a plate, cover them with foil to keep warm. Now I'm going to make a drizzling sauce that consists of wasabi powder, and then I'll add a tablespoon of water and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it up well, and then add a half teaspoon each of black and white sesame seeds. Now I'll cut my steak into bite-sized pieces, and I'll add that to the egg noodles. Toss them around a little bit, then add the wasabi, and you've got one beautiful Japanese dinner. Now, like most Japanese dishes, it's simple, it's also very delicious, and a little bit on the spicy side. So get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the web address shown on your screen and look for the Kitchen Guy icon. I'm Chef Jim. Arigato gozaimasu for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Come back and see me next time.